Let's solve for this integral problem here. So we have integral pi over 6 to pi over 2 of cotangent of x dx, right? So which one are we going to use here? What's the format? So sometimes that's where we struggle with, and that's the reason why we need to do a lot of practice, okay? So in this case here, this one can be written, this problem can be written as, so we have the pi over 2 as cos of x over sine of x. Okay, we all know this one. So if you know a little bit of trigonometry, you know that cotangent of x is cos of x over sine of x. So now this one is a fraction. So anytime you see a fraction, something pops up, which is, do I have the format, this one here? So do I have the u prime over x over u of x dx? Okay, so you can think about that. That should go out there. That means what? That means is the derivative of the bottom piece gives you the top one. Yes, in this case, because differentiation of sine x equals to cosine x. Bingo. All right? So you need to think, you don't need to think too much anymore. So automatically, we're going to have to apply the rules. So that would give us what? So that would then give us the ln of absolute value of sine x. Straight up, okay? But in this case, we have from pi over 6 to pi over 2 that we have to account for. That means what? That means we got to find the ln of absolute value of sine x. So in this case, that would give us sine of pi over 2 minus sine of pi over 6. Okay, then it is what? So we just finish that one. So we just got to keep going. So there's no more c, okay? So then we got to do the calculation. So this one is going to give us what? ln of what? So ln of then, so let's put parentheses here to make life a lot easier, okay? So that we know it's ln of everything. Careful about that. So let's go. So we have sine pi over 2 is what? Sine pi over 2 we all know is 1. Okay. At least some of us know, right? And I hope you know too. So that is equal to 1 minus what is the sine of pi over 6? That is equal to 1 over 2. Now you need to know these things, right? That makes life a lot easier. So let's keep going. So we can go on this side here. This is equal to then ln. So what is 1 minus half is a half. So absolute value of half. Okay, ln of that. So we can calculate that, okay? Absolute value of that. So we can calculate that very quickly in our calculator. Ln of absolute value of 1 over 2. Okay, because this one is an absolute value, so that will give you a positive number, okay? So you end up with 0.6931. So I'm going to stop at 2 decimal places. So this is going to be your final answer. So if this didn't have the absolute value, ladies and gentlemen, you'll be getting negative 0.6931. In this case, because of the absolute value, you end up with 0.6931. So this is it. No less, no more. All right? Thank you.